Want richer sound, smarter noise control, and all-day comfort in one pair of earbuds? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're checking out the Bose QuietComfort Ultra Earbuds, 2nd Gen, featuring industry-leading noise cancellation, immersive sound with deep bass and clear highs, and a secure, comfortable fit. With intuitive touch controls, long battery life, sweat and water resistance, and a sleek, modern design, these earbuds deliver an unmatched listening experience for music, calls, and daily life. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Bose QuietComfort Ultra Earbuds, 2nd generation. Charging case, extra ear tips, stability bands, USB Type-C to USB-A charging cable, user manual. Technical specifications. The Bose QuietComfort Ultra Earbuds, 2nd Gen, are in-ear true wireless earbuds designed for a secure and comfortable fit. They feature a lightweight design with IPX4 water resistance, protecting them against sweat and splashes. Each earbud has a 9.3mm dynamic driver, delivering rich and balanced sound, and they weigh approximately 7.7 grams, with the charging case adding about 61 grams. These earbuds come with adaptive active noise cancellation, offering both quiet and immersion modes, while Aware mode lets outside sounds in when you need awareness. Intuitive touch controls let you manage volume, play, pause, skip tracks, and switch modes effortlessly. With Bluetooth 5.3, they provide stable wireless connectivity, and they support SBC, AAC, and aptX adaptive audio codecs. Multi-point connectivity allows you to connect to 2 devices at the same time. The battery lasts up to 6 hours with ANC on, and with the charging case, you get a total of up to 24 hours. Charging is easy with both USB Type-C and wireless options via the included case. Product features. The Bose QuietComfort Ultra Earbuds feature advanced active noise cancellation with quiet and immersion modes, effectively reducing background noise in any environment. Paired with 9.3mm dynamic drivers, they deliver crisp highs, balanced mids, and deep bass, providing an immersive listening experience whether you're enjoying music, podcasts, or calls. Designed for all-day wear, these earbuds offer a secure, in-ear fit with a lightweight construction that won't cause fatigue. The IPX4 water resistance ensures protection against sweat and light splashes, making them ideal for workouts, travel, or daily use in varying conditions. With up to 6 hours of playtime on a single charge with ANC Active and a total of 24 hours using the charging case, these earbuds are built for extended listening. USB-C and wireless charging support allow quick and convenient power-ups, keeping you connected without interruptions. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.3, the earbuds offer stable wireless connectivity and multi-point device pairing, supporting SBC, AAC, and aptX adaptive audio codecs for high-quality sound. Intuitive touch controls let you manage music playback, volume, calls, and noise modes directly from the earbuds with ease. How to use. Insert each earbud so the ear tip gently rests at the opening of your ear canal. Slightly rotate it back until the ear tip creates a comfortable seal and the stability band rests against your ear ridge. Make sure the right, R, and left, or L earbuds are in the correct ears. The audio is personalized to your ears for the best sound and noise cancellation. For optimal audio performance and noise cancellation, check that the ear tips create a snug, comfortable seal without feeling too tight or too loose. You may need to try different sizes of ear tips or stability bands for each ear. You can also use the earbud seal test in the Bose app to ensure the best fit. Once inserted and fitted, the earbuds should stay comfortably in place during movement. If the earbuds feel loose, uncomfortable, or the sound quality and noise cancellation aren't ideal, try a different size ear tip or stability band until you achieve the perfect fit. How to pair? Open the charging case, and the earbuds will power on automatically. The status light will slowly pulse blue, indicating they're ready to connect. If they aren't in pairing mode, press and hold the button on the back of the charging case until the light starts pulsing blue. Download and install the Bose app, then open it and sign in with your My Bose account. Tap Set up new product. Choose headphones, earbuds, portable speakers, and frames, and wait while the app scans for your earbuds. When they appear, tap Connect, then pair, and follow the on-screen instructions. Once connected, you can view the battery level of each earbud and the charging case from the app's control screen. The earbuds can store up to 6 devices and stay actively connected to 2 devices at the same time for easy switching. How to charge. Plug the supplied USB-C cable into the port on the back of the charging case and connect the other end to a USB power adapter, power bank, or computer. The case indicator lights orange while charging and turns off when fully charged. Earbuds take about 1.5 hours, and the case takes around 2 hours to fully charge. Place the closed charging case on a key-compatible wireless charging pad. For the best charging speeds, align the button on the back of the case with the center of the wireless charger. Charging starts automatically. Charging works between approximately 5 degrees Celsius and 35 degrees Celsius, 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use approved chargers. Keep them dry. Clean gently. Use safe listening levels. Store properly. Product comparison. The Bose QuietComfort Ultra Earbuds 2nd Gen use a lightweight in-ear design with IPX4 water resistance, making them comfortable for daily use, workouts, and commuting. In contrast, the Sony WF-1000XM6 features a slightly larger ergonomic design with an IPX4 rating as well, prioritizing secure fit and premium feel, but with a bit more bulk in the ear. Bose offers adaptive active noise cancellation with quiet and immersion modes, plus customizable sound via the Bose app for balanced audio and deep bass. Sony's WF-1000XM6 deliver industry-leading noise cancellation powered by the integrated processor V1 with support for LDAC codec, DSEE extreme upscaling, and speak-to-chat for quick smart interaction, giving Sony an edge in codec support and smart listening features. Bose earbuds provide up to 6 hours of playtime with ANC on, 24 hours total with case, Bluetooth 5.3 and multi-point connection support, plus USB-C and wireless charging. Sony's WF-1000XM6 offer around 8 hours with ANC on, 24 hours total with case, Bluetooth 5.3, LDAC support, and faster charging, generally yielding slightly longer single-charge battery life. Pros and cons. The Bose QuietComfort Ultra Earbuds 2nd Generation offer industry-leading noise cancellation, rich and balanced sound with deep bass and clear highs, and an all-day comfortable fit thanks to their lightweight design and multiple stability bands. They are IPX4 water-resistant, support multi-point connectivity for 2 devices at once, and feature intuitive touch controls along with both USB-C and wireless charging. You also get personalized audio, aware mode for hearing your surroundings, fast pairing on supported Android devices, and reliable Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity. On the flip side, these earbuds are on the expensive side with average battery life of around 6 hours per charge with ANC on, and the charging case is a bit bulky. Full feature access requires the Bose app. Touch controls can misregister during movement, and the earbuds lack on-device EQ, LC3 codec support, and auto-pause functionality. There's also slight latency for gaming, limited voice assistant integration, and no multiple EQ presets, but overall they deliver an immersive, premium listening experience for music, calls, and daily use. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.